सप्तमदशकं ब्रह्मणः जन्म तपः तथा वैकुण्ठदर्शनम्. Bhagavan manifested in the form of 14 worlds Virat Swarupam. Again, he manifested as Brahma in Satyaloka, which is above the 14 worlds. This Brahma, also known as Hiranyagarbha or the golden egg, serves as the collective soul of all the living beings in the three worlds, Earth, Swarga Loka and Patala Loka. Brahma, with the increase in Rajoguna, then became desirous of creating various beings. In spite of his best efforts, Brahma could not gain knowledge on the means to start the creation and was worried. He heard the two words, Tapa, twice by Bhagavan's will. Brahma, seated on the lotus, looked around the surrounding water in all directions and wondered who spoke those words, but could not find anyone. Then he took those words as the best advice and did penance for 1,000 divine years, which is equivalent to 3,60,000 years for mankind. Pleased with his penance, Bhagavan revealed his abode, the Vaikuntha. एवं देवचतुर्दशात्मकजगद्रूपेण जातः पुनः तस्योर्ध्वं खलु सत्यलोकनिलये जातोऽसि धाता स्वयं यं शंसन्ति हिरण्यगर्भम् अखिलत्रैलोक्यजीवात्मकम् यो भूत्स्फीतरजो विकारविकसन् नानासि सृक्षारसः. हे देव, एवं चतुर्दशात्मकजगद्रूपेण जातः त्वं खलु स्वयं पुनः तस्य ऊर्ध्वं सत्यलोकनिलये धाता इति जातः असि. अखिलत्रैलोक्यजीवात्मकं यं त्वां हिरण्यगर्भं शंसन्ति यः स्फीतरजो विकारविकसन् नानासिसृक्षारसः अभूत्. O effulgent Lord, you who did manifest yourself in this manner with a form composed of the 14 worlds did indeed manifest again by your own will in Satyaloka, which is at the peak of that form composed of the 14 worlds, as Brahma, whom Shrutis call Hiranyagarbha, being the soul of all beings of the three worlds, and who, on account of an upsurge of Rajoguna, became desirous of creating the various beings. सोऽयं विश्वविसर्गदत्तहृदयः सम्पश्यमानः स्वयं बोधं खल्वनवाप्य विश्वविषयं चिन्ताकुलस्तस्थिवान् तावत्त्वं जगतां पते तपतपेत्येवं हि वैहायसीम् वाणीमेनम् अशिश्रवः श्रुतिसुखां कुर्वन्तपः प्रेरणाम्. सः अयं विश्वविसर्गदत्तहृदयः स्वयं सम्पश्यमानः अपि विश्वविषयं बोधम् अनवाप्य खलु चिन्ताकुलः तस्थिवान्. हे जगतां पते, तावत्त्वं तपः प्रेरणां कुर्वन् तप इति एवं श्रुतिसुखां वैहायसीं वाणीम् एनम् अश्रिश्रवः. He, that is Brahma, as described above, his mind given to the task of creating the universe remained perturbed by thoughts. Indeed, not being able to attain knowledge on the subject of the universe, although deeply contemplating on it by himself. O Lord of the universe, at that time you made him hear this disembodied voice pleasing to the ears. Do penance, thus prompting him to do penance. कोऽसौ मामवदत्पुमानिति जलापूर्णे जगन्मण्डले दिक्षोद्वीक्ष्य किमप्यनेक्षितवता वाक्यार्थमुत्पश्यता दिव्यं वर्षसहस्रम् आत्ततपसा तेन त्वमाराधितः तस्मै दर्शितवानसि स्वनिलयं वैकुण्ठम् एकाद्भुतम्. जगन्मण्डले जलापूर्णे सति कः पुमान् असौ मामेवमवदत् इति दिक्षु उद्वीक्ष्य किमपि अनीक्षितवता वाक्यार्थम् उत्पश्यता दिव्यं वर्षसहस्रम् आत्ततपसा तेन आराधितः त्वं तस्मै एकाद्भुतं स्वनिलयं वैकुण्ठं दर्शितवान् असि. Who is this person who spoke to me like this when the whole universe is engulfed in water? Saying so, and having looked at all quarters but not finding anyone, and having realized by him the meaning of those words, you were worshipped by doing penance for 1,000 divine years. Then you did reveal to him your own abode, Vaikuntha Loka, which was unique and wondrous. Maya yatra kadapi no vikurute bhate jagadbhyo bhayi shokakrodha vimoha sadhvasamukhaah भावास्तु दूरं गताः सान्द्रानन्दझरि च यत्र परमज्योतिः प्रकाशात्मके तत्ते धाम विभावितं विजयते वैकुण्ठरूपं विभो. हे विभो, जगद्भ्यः बहिः भाते परं ज्योतिः प्रकाशात्मके यत्र माया कदा अपि नो विकुरुते शोकक्रोध विमोह साध्वसमुखाः भावाः तु यस्मात् दूरं गताः यत्र सान्द्रानन्दझरि च प्रवहति त्वया विभावितं वैकुण्ठरूपं तत्ते धाम विजयते. O all-pervading Lord, shining outside the 14 worlds where there is the effulgence of the splendor of the Supreme Being, where Maya does not manifest herself any time and from where emotions like grief, anger, delusion, fear, etc. have gone far away, that Vaikuntha Loka revealed by you, the abode of yours, shines. यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजा हरिमणिश्यामावदात त्विषो नानाभूषणरत्नदीपितदिशो राजाद्विमानालयाः भक्तिप्राप्त तथाविधोनतपदा दीव्यन्ति दिव्या जनाः तत्ते धाम निरस्तसर्वशमलं वैकुण्ठरूपं जयेत्. यस्मिन्नाम चतुर्भुजाः हरिमणिश्याम अवदाततुषः नानाभूषणरत्नदीपितदिशः राजत् विमानलयाः दिव्याः जनाः भक्तिप्राप्त तथाविध उन्नतपदाः दीव्यन्ति निरस्तसर्वशमलं वैकुण्ठरूपं ते तत् धाम जयेत्. In which region verily divine beings shine endowed with 4 arms, whose complexion is like the brilliant deep blue color of the sapphire, who are adorned with diamond-studded ornaments which light up the quarters, who reside in the resplendent aerial cars, and who enjoy their exalted positions attained by virtue of their high level of devotion, May that abode of yours in the form of Vaikuntha, taintless and free from all sins, triumph. नानादिव्यवधूजनैरभिवृता विद्युल्लतातुल्यया विश्वोन्मादनहृद्यगात्रलतया विद्योतिता शान्तरा त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैककुतुकाल्लक्ष्मी स्वयं लक्ष्यते यस्मिन् विस्मयनीयदिव्यविभवं तत्ते पदं देहि मे। यस्मिन् लोके लक्ष्मीः अभिवृता नानादिव्यवधूजनैः विद्योतिता आशा अन्तरा विश्व उन्मादनहृदयगात्रलतया विद्युत्लता तुल्यया विस्मयनीयदिव्यविभवं लक्ष्यते स्वयं त्वत्पादाम्बुजसौरभैककुतुकात् देहि मे तत्ते पदम्. In which region Goddess Lakshmi, surrounded by numerous divine damsels, illumines all quarters and intervening spaces by her slender body, which causes delight to all, and which resembles a sleek creeper of lightning, whose divine splendor causes astonishment, makes appearance on her own, out of sheer fondness for the fragrance of your lotus feet. Please grant me that your abode. तत्रैवं प्रतिदर्शिते निजपदे रत्नासनाध्यासितं भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीटकटकाद्याकल्पदीप्राकृति श्रीवत्साङ्कितम् आत्तकौस्तुभमणिच्छायारुणं कारणम् विश्वेषां तव रूपमैक्षतविधिः तत्ते विभो भातु मे। एवं प्रतिदर्शिते तत्र निजपदे विधिः रत्नासनाध्यासितं भास्वत्कोटिलसत्किरीटकटकाद्य आकल्पदीप्र आकृति श्रीवत्साङ्कितम् आत्तकौस्तुभमणिच्छायारुणं विश्वेषां कारणं तव यत् रूपम् ऐक्षत हे विभो ते तत् मे भातु. O all-pervading Lord, revealed by you in this manner there at your own abode, the form of yours which Brahma saw, seated on a diamond throne, shining effulgently with crown, bracelets and other ornaments, having the splendor of innumerable suns, categorized by the Srivatsa mark, rendered crimson by the luster of the Kaustubha gem worn around the neck, and the source of all creation. May that form of yours be revealed to me. कालाम्भोदकलाय कोमलरुचि चक्रेण चक्रं दिशाम् आवृण्वानमुदारमन्दहसित स्यन्दप्रसन्नाननम् राजत्कम्बुगदारि पङ्कजधर श्रीमद्भुजां मण्डलम् स्रष्टुस्तुष्टिकरं वपुस्तव विभो मद्रोगमुद्वासये. हे विभो, काल अम्भोदकलाय कोमलरुचिचक्रेण दिशां चक्रम् आवृण्वानम् उदारमन्दहसितस्यन्द प्रसन्ननाननम् राजत्कम्बुगदा अरि पङ्कजधर श्रीमद्भुजामण्डलं स्रष्टुः तुष्टीकरं तव वपुः मद्रोगम् उद्वासयेत्. O all-pervading Lord, may your divine form, which envelops the horizons in all quarters, with its splendors resembling dark rain-bearing clouds and captivating arrays of kalaya flowers, and with a countenance pouring forth a benevolent and gentle smile pleasing to look at, endowed with a beautiful semblance of 4 arms, wearing the shining conch, mace, discus, lotus, and causing happiness to the Lord of creation, remove my ailments. दृष्ट्वा संभृतसम्भ्रमः कमलभूः त्वत्पादपाथोरुहे हर्षावेशवशं वदो निपतितः प्रीत्या कृतार्थी भवन् जानास्येव मन्यषितं मम विभो ज्ञानं तद् आपादय द्वैताद्वैतभवत् स्वरूपपरम् इत्याचष्टं तं त्वां भजे। कमलभूः तद्दृष्ट्वा संभृतसम्भ्रमः त्वत्पादपथोरुहे हर्षावेशवशं वदः निपतितः प्रीत्या कृतार्थी भवन्। हे विभो, मम मनीषितं जानासि एव, द्वैत अद्वैतभवत्स्वरूपं परं तज्ज्ञानम् आपादय इति यं त्वाम् आचष्टं तं त्वां भजे। Brahma, on seeing that your divine form, having become highly excited and overcome with ecstasy of joy, fell prostrate at your lotus feet, feeling the sense of fulfillment on account of that joy, and prayed to whom? None other than you. Thus, O all-powerful Lord, you are indeed aware of the desire in my mind. Bestow unto me that knowledge relating to your existence in dual and non-dual forms. To you, O that nature, my salutations. आताम्रे चरणे विनम्रम् अथतं हस्तेन हस्ते स्पृशन् बोधस्ते भविता न सर्गविधिभिः बन्धोऽपि सञ्जायते इत्याभाष्य गिरं प्रतोष्य नितरां तच्चित्तगूढस्वयं सृष्टौ तं समुदैरयः स भगवन् उल्लासयोल्लाघताम्। अथ आताम्रे चरणे विनम्रं तं हस्तेन हस्ते स्पृशन् ते बोधः भवति, सर्गविधिभिः बन्धः अपि न सञ्जायते इति गिरम् आभाष्य नितरां प्रतोष्य स्वयं तच्चित्तगूढः सन् यः त्वं तं सृष्टौ समुदैरयः। हे भगवन्, सः त्वम् उल्लाघताम् उल्लासय। Then, touching with your hand the hand of Brahma, who had prostrated at your feet of crimson hue, and addressing him with words thus, self-knowledge shall dawn on you, and there will be no bondage too on account of creative activity, and making him, that is Brahma, extremely happy, and yourself remaining concealed in his heart, you prompted him in creative activity. O Lord, may you of such nature hasten my recovery. Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda Govinda